Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training. Today I want to review creating circuits in Revit 2026. It's a little differently with the Manage Links tab. So I'm using Elise Moss Revit Architecture 2023 for electrical workers, but I'm working in 2026. There's a few differences here. So I'm going to go into my Manage Links here, and as you can see, I've got this file here that's linked in, but you want to reload from. So normally that's on the bottom here, but right here we select these three dots and we're going to reload from this side, and I want to pick up the architecture model and say okay. It's going to upgrade to 2026, which is what I'm working in. Once it's upgraded, we'll get this and close this. So now this is no set way of closing here, I don't think so. I'm going to just close it like that. And there's the file I wanted in here. Okay. So now I'm going to go to my first floor of power, which I'm in here. And I want to go into Office 104 according to this text. And I'm going to select these four receptacles. And I'm going to go to my power tab. And I want to select panel LA. Like that one, and I'm going to do arc wire. And there's our circuit. Okay, so now let's go down to 103 here. And this time I want to select only 3 of these. And let's see, okay. Okay. Now I'm going to hit power again. And then I want to go arc wire. Okay, so those wires are picked up and intentionally left that one unselected. So now what we're going to do here now is we're going to go back into 3. We're going to add this to the circuit. So I'm going to select this guy now. We're going to right click here. And it should be a add to circuit here. Oh, okay, here we go. So I want to select it here. You see here. Okay, so I don't think they, where do I see it here? Okay, so I'll just click the add to circuit up here then. So here I can go up here under my, no here, there you go, right here. Add to circuit, you got to click the dot. And then and click escape now. Right click here. I'm sorry guys. Right click here. Want to add to circuit. Gotta zoom in here. Get this dot. There you go. Add to circuit. And now I want to add it to this one here. And I want to hit arc wire. So that's how you add it to a circuit. Sorry about that little slowdown there. So now what I'll do here, I'm going to go over into the ceiling plan. So I'm going to power ceilings here. Okay, where is it? Yeah, one. Oh, there it is right there. Okay, we want to do the same thing with the light fixture. So here, I want to select these 2 fixtures in this room right here. This is 104, and I hover over it. Yep, that's 104. So I want to select this fixture, this one, I want to go to power here, and I'm going to go to my arc wire, and I'm going to go to my panel. I want to go to panel HA, and go to arc wire. Okay, and then that's our circuit placed. So I want to do these other three here, so just go select this one, this one. I'm going to go back to my, there you go, this one and this one. Go to my power, HA, arc wire. So it's fairly simple and straightforward here. Go with these two here. Okay, I like to go out here and make sure. Yeah, I'm prompted this. Uh-oh, sorry, not the filter. Want the power. And then you go and select arc wire. Okay, so that's pretty much done here. So now we can also drag these around here and whatnot and so forth. But that's how you basically do these wires, these circuits from the Elise Moss book. And so we've got our power plan done here. Where is it? It will be on the power. Yep, there's power. And I'm going to just window tile these WT. So that's how that's done, folks. We did our lighting circuit and our power circuits. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this. And yeah, thanks Elise Moss for this exercise on placing these circuits. I got a little confused on my own, but yeah, that's how that's done. So hey guys, see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and bye. Thanks again. Please subscribe. Be safe.